Okay, so I'll be using my goal here is to use BimpeAI SDK to create an end-to-end agent. And what is first and first? What is BimpeAI? So BimpeAI is an agent deployment and platform for no-code builders and developers to actually shape revenue workflows, which comprise of order booking and support payments into real businesses, and it's got across different channels, can be used in different channels: WhatsApp, Instagram, web, voice, SDKs, and many more channels. So the first thing, so BimpeAI is used to build, deploy, and manage AI. So it supports no-code developers and also supports real developers using the SDK. So for now, I'll be using the BimpeAI SDK to actually build a full workflow end to end, and I'm going to test it. So the BimpeAI SDK has actually support two programming language currently, which is the TypeScript and also the Python. The TypeScript, which is being JavaScript developers, and also the Python. I'll be using the Python. So first thing first, this is our dashboard. I'll be creating a IT support desk assistant or chat box that is like a first line of points when an IT issue occurs. So this is my code for the IT support. And then the first thing, after importing the dependencies, I actually created this function to create a workflow. I created it because I don't want repetitions while testing. I will keep running the code until when I'm satisfied. So I don't want creating new agents or creating new workflows. So the system prompt, this is the creating of workflow, and then I created my agent. I connected my agent with my workflow. I added a knowledge base, which are basic knowledge like troubleshooting guide, IT policies and service. I have a scheduling protocol that's to schedule with anyone. So if the person is not, if the first line of thoughts is not, the first line of reaching out to is not able to solve the issue, then you can just schedule a meeting with an IT specialist. So the next thing, I did the channels and the integration was done on the dashboard. So this is just to confirm. I want to confirm, so I print it from the SDK, which is the backend. So I also did the test to create the test code to test, and then the test code works in here. So just to test the WhatsApp and also the Instagram. So you will see channels. So I use different channels. So I use web chat widget and also web voice. So I also have the integration. We have different integrations to use. We also have other integrations to use, which I use the calendar actually to schedule mostly. So I'll be using the web GUI to test. So good. So this is test. So this is our area. Yes. So this is our chatbot, and I'll just be asking simple questions, and also if I want to speak to a woman, it's going to, for now, let's just ask simple questions, and it's going to tell me what I should look out for. Check your spam. So I told you that I can't log into my email, so try resetting, but I'm not receiving the resetting. So you tell me these just things that you should. So it's going to ask for my name, Sammy, and the marketing department. And so it will probably want to, if you're unable to log in, you can see very steps already taken. Since I can escalate this to the, please, yes please. So you can see that's if the first line of interaction or the first line of cannot be met. So preferred dates, so Monday, and then for now I will go with Monday, which is the 29th of June. I'll go for 10 a.m. 2026. So I'll go for 10 a.m. Okay, by 10 a.m. I should have been in the office and settled down. So it's going to look for the time availability if they are actually available to respond to me at that time based on their schedule. Now the schedule is based on the calendar. So the mail that has been used in the calendar to connect the calendar should be the work email. So let's just wait a few minutes and wait for the feedback. So you can see it's going to definitely generate a link, and I can just click on this link to schedule myself, and then I can click on this link to actually take a schedule myself, or I can tell it that yes, please select. Once you book the time, you receive a confirmation email. Please let me know. Yes. So it's to show that it's to book. So this one is just to schedule, which is just the schedule link, and but I can actually schedule myself. I can, okay, it want me to schedule more an immediate time. An immediate time, because most of the time the issues we have to solve it right away. So thank you very much. So this is to show that it worked end to end, like it worked right from customer to the integration. So the integration works very well, can endly work very well, and this is to show that BimpeAI SDK can be used and works end to end. Thank you very much.